Hi guys, so today I am going to do the tutorial on this bird here. It's Madhubani style bird. So let's get started. So I'm going to do it here. So let's do the basic design first. So use, if you're doing it in a sketchbook, I'm doing it in on iPad in Procreate app. But if you're doing it in a sketchbook, just do this part with a pencil, but very lightly, because we are going to trace over it and erase it later on. So do it very lightly. So this is just to block the bigger areas. We are not going to add any fine details here. So let's just block all the big areas. It's pretty simple design, not too much of details here. So let me make a branch also, so that we cover the whole area. So I blocked everything, rough design, and now we are going to go over it and trace it with Sharpie. So I've traced the design, I have filled in all the details. I'm not going to color it. You can use this as a reference to color, or you can just do your own whatever your color palette you are using for particular design. So you can use those colors. So yeah, I hope this was helpful.